Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the para-aminobenzoic acid. Para-aminobenzoic acid, also called PABA. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe to my channel. Trust me guys, it shortens your learning time with better knowledge. Okay, coming to the topic, para-aminobenzoic acid. Para-aminobenzoic acid, PABA, is a structural constituent of folic acid. PABA may be regarded as the vitamin in another vitamin, that is folic acid. PABA may be regarded as vitamin in another vitamin, that is folic acid, that is B9. See the structures. This is PABA, okay, para-aminobenzoic acid, and this sulfonyl amide. And this is sulfonyl amide, which act as the antivitamin of para-aminobenzoic acid, that is PABA. Okay, this is the structural, and this has the structural similarity with PABA. The deficiency of PABA was first found to be associated with failure of lactation and graying of black hair in rats. The specific functions of PABA in humans, except that it is a component of folic acid, has not been identified. The deficiency of PABA was found to be associated with failure of lactation and graying of black hairs in rats. The specific function of PABA in humans, except that it is a component of folic acid, have not been identified. The PABA is synthesized by the bacteria and is essential for their growth. The sulfur drug sulfonyl amide, that is a para-aminobenzene sulfonyl amide, is a structural analog of PABA that I shown you before. The sulfonyl amide compacts with PABA and act as a bacteriostatic agent. This sulfonyl amide competes with PABA and act as a bacteriostatic agent. Ingestion of large doses of PABA will compete with the action of drugs and therefore should be avoided during sulfonyl amide therapy. Okay, see once again. PABA is synthesized by the bacteria and is essential for growth. This PABA is essential for the bacterial growth. The sulfur drug sulfonyl amide is a structural analog of PABA. The sulfonyl amide compacts with the PABA and act as a bacteriostatic agent. Ingestion of large doses of PABA will compete with the action of drugs and therefore should be avoided during sulfonyl amide therapy. This is about the para-aminobenzoic acid, and this sulfonyl amide act as the antivitamin of PABA, which is a structural analog of PABA. Don't just watch and leave guys. Reply me on comment section, is it useful or not? Okay. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.